Deleting folders in Python recursively. I'm having a problem with deleting empty directories. Here is my code. The argument dir_to_search is where I'm passing the directory where the work needs to be done. That directory looks like this. Note that all the above folders are empty. When I run this script, the folders 20,25 alone gets deleted. But the folders 25 and 26 aren't deleted, even though they are empty folders. Edit. The exception that I'm getting are where am I making a mistake?
Try shuttle.retree. Here's my pure pathlib recursive directory on linker.
The default behavior of os.walk is to walk from root to leaf. Set top-down equals false in os.walk to walk from leaf to root.
Try rumtree and shuttle from the Python standard library.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.